Crazy AI brings you the most important AI news we've curated for today. Elon Musk's Grok just entered the US military's most classified systems, while Claude got kicked out. Meta is betting $100 billion on AMD compute, and OpenAI's Codex brand is making a powerful comeback. Let's dive in.
Elon Musk's xAI has signed a landmark contract with the U.S. Department of Defense. Grok is now officially deployed in the most classified U.S. military systems. This means Grok will directly assist with classified intelligence analysis, weapons development planning, and battlefield decision support. Anthropic's Claude, which previously held exclusive access to these systems, has been replaced. For one reason: Anthropic refused the Pentagon's all lawful purposes unlimited use requirement, standing firm against mass surveillance and autonomous weapons applications. xAI accepted everything. Meanwhile, Grok is also available to 3 million DoD personnel through the GenAI.mil platform. Behind this competition lies a profound question facing every AI company: ethics or defense contracts?
Meta and chip giant AMD have announced a landmark long-term strategic partnership. Under the agreement, AMD will supply Meta with up to 6 gigawatts of Instinct GPU compute, in a deal estimated at approximately $100 billion, one of the largest single-chip procurement partnerships in AI infrastructure history. The first batch of custom MI450-based GPUs will begin delivery in H2 2026, running on the Helios Rock-scale platform jointly developed through the Open Compute project. AMD is also issuing up to 160 million performance warrants to Meta, vesting against deployment milestones to deeply align interests. For Meta, this is a key move in its multi-source compute strategy, reducing dependence on NVIDIA. OpenAI today officially announced the release of GPT-5.3 Codex to all developers via the Responses API. This marks the powerful return of the Codex brand after a 3-year retirement. The biggest highlight of GPT-5.3 Codex is support for up to 128K output tokens, meaning it can generate complete code modules or even entire project frameworks in a single call. The model also offers 4 reasoning intensity tiers, letting developers switch between rapid response and deep reasoning as needed. A longer output window combined with adjustable reasoning depth will significantly boost practical AI-assisted programming. The new benchmark for code generation AI has arrived. Alibaba's Qwen team has released the Qwen3.5 model series, a complete family of 4 open-source multimodal models. The flagship Qwen3.5 397B A17B has 397 billion total parameters, but only activates 17 billion per inference, making it 19 times faster than the previous trillion-parameter Qwen3-Max at 60% lower cost. Crucially, Qwen3.5 is the first native multimodal Qwen model, trained from the ground up on text, images, and video simultaneously. On the MathVision visual reasoning benchmark, it scores 88.6, beating GPT-5.2's score of 83.0. All models are released under Apache 2.0, supporting 201 languages in 256K context. After launch, it immediately became the most downloaded open-source model family on Hugging Face. Anthropic today unveiled a major upgrade to Claude Cowork. Enterprise admins can now create private plugin marketplaces, giving them full control over which AI tools their teams can use. New pre-built plugins cover finance, HR, engineering, design, and more, with real-time data connectors from professional sources like FactSet, MSCI, and S&P Global. The standout feature is cross-app orchestration. Claude can now work across Excel and PowerPoint simultaneously, automatically handling everything from earnings analysis to generating a summary presentation. Available as a research preview for all paid users, the rules of enterprise AI are being rewritten.
Here's today's craziest question. xAI accepted the Pentagon's unrestricted military use requirements and landed the defense contract, while Anthropic held its ethical line and got kicked out, now facing a potential supply chain risk designation. If you were the CEO of an AI company staring at a multi-billion-dollar defense deal, what would you choose? What's your take? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Crazy AI, stay crazy tomorrow.